You asked, how to divide 8,974 by 5 using the long division method. 8 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Bring down 9, making 39. 39 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 equals 35. 39 minus 35 equals 4. Bring down 7, making 47. 47 divided by 5 equals 9. 9 times 5 equals 45. 47 minus 45 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 24 minus 20 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 1794, remainder 4.